We'll guide you through how to verify your YouTube channel ID in Jujutsu Infinite. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now first, just go ahead and open any browser to your liking and then open YouTube in your web browser and make sure you are signed in the YouTube account that you want to verify. So after signing in, just go ahead and go to the profile picture at the top right corner, and here just go ahead and go to settings. Now here at the left hand side, you'll see many options. From here, just go ahead and select privacy, and here make sure keep all my subscription private is toggled off just like so. This is important because the game needs to be able to confirm that you have subscribed to the required YouTube channel. After that, go to advanced settings, and here you will see your channel ID. Just go ahead and click on copy to copy the channel ID, and after that just go ahead and open your Roblox, and once that your Roblox is opened, just go ahead and search for Jujutsu Infinite and just click on Jujutsu Infinite and click on play. After that, just go ahead and click on play, and now just go ahead and go to the YouTube icon. So just navigate to the YouTube section just like so, and just go ahead and hold E, and then you will see it will say subscribe to Awesome Ninja Games on YouTube. So basically just go ahead and open your YouTube once again and go to YouTube, and in the search bar just go ahead and search for Awesome Ninja Games. After that, make sure you are subscribed to the Awesome Ninja Games. After subscribing, just go to your Roblox, and now here just go ahead and press Ctrl V to paste the channel ID that we copied earlier, and then after that just go ahead and click on claim. Here you can see we have successfully got the gift. If the verification does not work immediately, don't worry, it can take a few minutes for YouTube to update your subscription status. Wait around 5 to 10 minutes, then try verifying again.